Happy Monday, everybody. It's Chris GearNoir at theshavingcadre.com. Good to be back with you. And it's my normal shaving video for the week. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I got a nice, huge tub. 4 ounces? I don't think so. That's like 6 ounces of CBL Fresh Vetiver. Got that on sale. CBLsoaps.com. Just came out with this new tonsorial line. Really some great scents, that sounds like. I'd buy them all. But I've got a bunch of stuff already. I've got to get to the point at some point, just like the rest of you, I'm sure, where I've got to start using some of the soaps that I have. Anyway, Fresh Vetiver today. Supposed to be, he was telling me a couple days ago or a day ago, and I think it is on his site, a homage to Gillette Vetiver, which I'm actually, I have a sample of on the way to my house. I'm excited to try that, never have. I got my Razor Rock Big Bruce here. Doesn't take a long time to load up CBL's normal Wagyu beef base. In fact, I'm almost there already. Probably less than 10 seconds. With a reasonably wet brush. Definitely no blooming on the puck. Well, it's not a puck, it's like a tub of goodness. Couldn't pull it out. Unlike his tonsorial line, which I said he just came out with, which are hard pucks. His original base is not. It's a firm soap, but not a hard soap. In some cases, even calling it firm is stretching it. I used his, what was it yesterday? Oh, Cherry Blossom and Bamboo. And also his Bingo Bomb soap, which is a really interesting base. Feels great. I think he called it like a charcoal or graphite kind of base or something. I can't remember. Don't quote me on that. Look it up. But that stuff is like pasty. Not quite cream, a little bit harder than a cream, but like literally less than 5 seconds on the tub, and you got enough for, way more than enough for 3 passes. Great soap though. Definitely happy with my purchases. You can see it's working up nice here. Still a little thick. There we go, that looks good. Anyway, it's almost 10 o'clock. I actually just woke up a little while ago. I'm going to be using the Feather SS today with a Feather Pro Blade, unknown number of shaves. Haven't pulled this guy out for a little while, so hopefully it's not going to be rough today. I'm using the WEC on and off during the week. Mostly I've just been opting for quick and easy DE shaves. Mostly from the Game Changer. 0.68. Just the last couple weeks with the missus being in and out. She's back safely yesterday and will not be leaving again for a while, thankfully, for business or meetings or otherwise. But the last couple weeks have just caught up with me. I was pretty darn tired this morning, still tired. My cup of cold brew is awaiting me, or is awaiting being poured in the refrigerator after this. Guys on the cadre make fun of how young I look, even though I'm in my 30s, which I mean to them is still pretty young. Old fogies. Anyway, my age caught up with me these last couple weeks, especially when it comes to sleep. You know, and things aren't just like normal as they normally are around the house. You kind of, or at least I do, kind of get thrown off, especially on sleep patterns. Harder to get to sleep. Harder to when to go to sleep. All that kind of stuff. Anyway, got no rest for the weary. I've got a busy week ahead. That orchestral concert I said was last week is actually this week. Last week was full of other things, but it's the Sacramento, I live in California, Sacramento Philharmonic. I've got, I think, 2 practice dates, Thursday and Friday mornings. Well, Thursday evening, Friday afternoon, and then Friday and Saturday evenings they have their concert times here at our church. Big deal for everybody to have that kind of event at our church. And so it'll be part of my job to make sure things are tip-top shape and go smoothly before, during, and after in terms of facilities. It's going to be a couple late nights Friday and Saturday. Especially Saturday. As that concert gets out at like 10 in the evening, really at night. And then I have to get the church ready for services on Sunday. Over at the TSC, we've got our next bingo game just posted. Gagi or Gaji. Got started the signups this morning. Already got like 6 or 7 folks signed up. Good sign. He hasn't called in a while. He called one of our first games, I think. Well over a year ago now, I want to say. And haven't called since then. He lives, I don't even know where he lives, off in the other side of the world, me, for that's for sure. Europe somewhere. And in an area that is, I think, in terms of weather, highly unstable. And he's also been dealing with some sickness. So it took him a while to get the game started, but it's on its way now. So if you're interested in seeing what Forum Bingo is and participating or figuring it out, go sign up at the Shaving Cadre. Check out the other stuff while you're there. Plenty of knowledgeable dudes when it comes to traditional shaving. And, oops. All right, that was 2 passes with the feather. Now my 59 Fat Boy here, Astra SP blade. Used this thing a few days ago and kept the blade in because I hadn't brought it out in a while. Done setting 3. Keep it nice and smooth, still efficient, for me anyway. I know not everybody likes the Fat Boy and thinks it's more hype than the slim or the super adjustable, but I happen to like the Fat Boy the best. The weight of it, the rounder, slightly bigger head, the way the geometry just seems to fit me a lot better than the slim, and the shave feels a lot smoother. It's a good mild razor. Reasonably mild. Adjustable, obviously. What else? Also on the cadre, we got our holiday Rudolph buddy exchange. It's a little bit late to sign up for that, but I got my buddy's gift yesterday, or the day before or something, I can't remember. I didn't get it. I ordered it and should be receiving it hopefully this week to kind of check it over before it gets wrapped up and sent on. My buddy was very difficult to figure out in terms of what I was going to get him. I'll not say why, because that might give away who it is. I want some surprise to be had, but I think I did some research through the forum, and I think I found a winner thing to get him. So I just hope it arrives safely. That's my major concern. Shipping is always a huge concern when dealing with gifts and stuff like that, because so many things could go wrong. The package could get lost, something could get broken. Well, hopefully none of that happens. So, I mean, it has to make it to me, and then it has to make it to him, and it has to survive till Christmas. So, we shall see. Other than that, today's a hangout day. No yard work this weekend. I did it last weekend. I'm fortunate to only have to, and it's that time of the year where I only really have to do it twice a month. Although I do need to get some trimming out of the way at some point. It's not going to be this week. I just got some lawn watering and laundry left to do. Everybody's off at school and work right now. Yeah. All right. I'll be right back. I'm going to do some of my post-shave. All right, there we go. What did I do in my time off camera? Let me tell you. I did a little thing where I pull the extra lather out of my brush and smush it and spread it and massage it all over my face. Call it my lather soak. Let that sit for at least a minute. Kind of dissipates and absorbs and into the skin. And then I do a very nice cold water rinse after all that stuff. Just put on some generic witch hazel. Now I'm putting on some Thayer's Medicated right there. I don't think Medicated is the non-alcoholic kind, so yes, there's witch hazel in this too. And I put on generic witch hazel. And guess what? I'm not done. Whoa, there goes my towel. Got a little too carried away. I've also got Lucky Tiger. That's right. 3. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Facial toners and skin sealers. Not because of the shade. I did get a couple nicks, but they've obviously closed up already. But just because it feels so darn good. Yes, it does. And because yesterday's shave, I did my cherry blossom and bamboo from CBL. And I finished it up with some spritzes of the real Terra de Hermes. And today, I'm going to follow that theme because Sir Dave and KY made a little dig at me that I hadn't used the one he sent me, which is Humorous. It is 100 milliliters of glorious Terra de Hermes cologne. Actually smells a lot like the cool down of Terra de Hermes after that initial fresh, really in your face orangey burst. That's what this smells like. Doesn't last nearly as long as Terra de Hermes, but it's a pretty darn good clone. I think it's like 30 something bucks. But Dave had sent it to me. Oh yeah. Smell that. You can't. I can. So good. Thanks, Dave in Kentucky. There it is. I used it, even on camera, just for you, buddy. Anyway, that's my shave today. Looking forward, well, not looking forward, to a really busy week. Otherwise, don't forget to join up, sign in on the Shaving Cadre, and join our bingo game. And you can catch up with the rest of my journal. Maybe make your own shaving journal. Who'd have thunk? I do it. A bunch of other people do it. You could do it too. There, and see what's going on for the rest of the week. Hang out, chat online with the guys, and a really nice bunch of folks. But anyway, that's that. Y'all have a great week. I'll catch you later. Bye.